Hey kids, Assalamu alaikum to all. I'm back with the subject of literacy skills, and today we are going to discuss short A sound words. Dear kids, do you know what is A? A is a vowel in the English alphabet. Let's understand all the vowels in the English alphabet first. Dear kids, there are five vowels in all in English alphabet and they are A, E, I, O, U. So इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट में कितने वॉवल्स है? 5 वॉवल्स है. ए ई आई ओ यू. ये 5 जो है ये एक फैमिली बनाते हैं. इनको हम बोलते हैं वॉवल्स. So today we are going to discuss the short A sound words. You should know that all the vowels have short sound and long sound. When a word has only a single vowel that usually sounds short. जब किसी लफ्ज में किसी वर्ड में एक ही वॉवल आ जाता है उस वक्त उस वॉवल की आवाज उस वर्ड में शॉर्ट निकलती है. So, dear kids, you please open your literacy book at page number 19. And now, this page deals with the words having short A vowel sound. What you have to do, you have to recognize these pictures and name them loudly. You have to recognize these pictures and say their names loudly so that you can easily trace out their short A vowel sound. Okay, now let's start. Can you recognize this picture? क्या आप पहचान सकते हो ये क्या है यहाँ पे? चींटी. क्या है? चींटी. That is called ant in English. Ant. So ant. A-N-T, ant. So you might have noticed that the short A sounds like A. A की short sound जो है वो है A. क्या है? A. A. Ant. Bat. Cap. Cat. Fan. Hat. Mat. Pan. Rat. A. N. T. Ant. B. A. T. Bat. K. A. P. Cap. K. A. T. Cat. F. A. N. Fan. H. A. T. Hat. M. A. T. Mat. P. A. N. Pan. R. A. T. Rat. I repeat. Ant. Bat. Cap. Cat. Fan. Hat. Mat. Pan. Rat. Now, dear kids, I hope you have understood that the short A sounds like A. A says A. The name of this letter is A and it sounds A. It sounds A. Its short sound is A and its short sound is A. But when we pronounce its long sound, then it sounds just like its name, like A, like in ape, like in ape. This its short, its long sound is a, but its short sound is a. Its short sound is a, like in ant, bat, cap, cat, fan, hat, mat, pan, rat. Now, dear kids, you have to practice tracing and writing these words. You first of all you have to trace over the dot like this. A N D ant, B A D bat, C A B cap. Following the same pattern, you have to write these words again in these lines. Follow the same pattern and complete your पेज. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. ये आपका होमवर्क है. आपको ट्रेस करना है इनके ऊपर, फिर नीचे साफ साफ लिखना है इसी तरह you have to consider the purpose of these 4 lines also. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Allah Hafiz. Take care.